Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Now there has been a very important update with respect to backlog and supplementary examination. The examination of backlog and supplementary which is still not being conducted by the university, be it Calcutta University, MAKAUT or others. There has been a stance taken by the Indian Institute of Engineering Science and Technology Shibpur relating to supplementary examination. I'm just going to give you the details about what has been said. Now, the Indian Institute of Engineering Science and Technology Shibpur had taken a decision to hold the supplementary examination on the campus from 5th of May at the time when the pandemic is at full swing. Now, this supplementary examination as what has been planned to be taken on campus, which means that the supplementary examination to be taken in a physical mode. The Indian Institute of Engineering Science and Technology Shibpur Students Union has sought rethink on the online test. IIEST, which is the Indian Institute of Engineering Science and Technology Shibpur Students' Senate, has appealed to the director to reconsider the decision to hold the supplementary exam in a physical mode from 5th of May. The Students' Senate, which represents all students of the institute, wants the test to be held online. They have given a written petition to the director of the institute and have mentioned that many of the students were from the worst affected states such as Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, and it would not be advisable to call them back to Shibpur campus and thereafter to allow them to sit for the supplementary examination. Now, when asked about the prospect of holding the test on the campus amid the recent surge in the number of cases, the director said, and I quote, "As of now, the decision to hold the test stands, but will be reviewed and the situation from time to time, and based on that, the assessment will be taken." However, the Senate of the Indian Institute of Engineering Science and Technology Shibpur, the highest academic body of the institute, has decided that mid-March that the supplementary examination of the undergraduate level would be held on campus from 5th of May to 10th of May. And it is expected that almost 270 students are scheduled to write the supplementary examination. The student union said, and I quote, "Recalling the student amid the rising number of cases could pose a health risk. We have students from the worst affected states like Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and even Punjab. The question has been thrown as how will they travel to the institute in the current situation? Even the parents of students have written to the Shibpur authority so that the students are not made to travel to the campus. This has prompted that the Senate to make the appeal, and the director has said that issues will be discussed in the next academic body meeting." Now, it is feared that a member of the highest academic board has said that they are fearing travel restrictions would be reinforced to contain the spread of the virus that might stand in the way of the examinees returning to the campus for the examination, which is a super supply examination. As you are aware of, that post-election there is a chance of a lockdown in this particular country, and thereby the students are fearing travel restrictions. Now, relating to MAKAUT students, there are pending supplementary as well as backlog examination for MAKAUT, and as per the last academic meeting with the controller of examination, it was said that the backlog examination will be in a physical mode. Now, why in a physical mode? Because it has been said other batchmates who has given the examination during those days was in a physical mode. And since online examinations are not in a proctored style, so it will be unjust for students who have already given the physical examination before. So students who have backlog requires to appear the examination in a physical mode and not in an online mode. But however, the controller of examination stated that if the pandemic situation doesn't improve and if it is not possible to conduct the backlog examination in a physical mode, then the university, which is MAKAUT, will be trying to conduct the same in an online platform. But the first preference would be given to a physical mode of examination. And secondly, if that is not possible, if not, then it will be an online examination. However, the decision of the Indian Institute of Engineering Science and Technology Shibpur of asking the undergraduate student to appear for the supplementary examination from 5th of May in a physical mode was a surprising decision. But this decision is yet not being implemented. There will be a meeting with respect to the academic body, and there will be a call taken with respect to the nature of the examination to be taken. Moreover, MAKAUT students who have backlog papers pending, rest assured that the backlog examination will not be in a physical mode with respect to the current pandemic situation. Pending backlog examination will be in an online mode. This was an important information which I felt like sharing with you all. Moreover, any videos relating to education, educational updates and other information, you will get updated news from this particular channel. So would request viewers to be associated with this channel. Till then, thank you, take care.